Good morning. What a blessing it is to have another beautiful day in front of us with nothing but endless possibilities available. To get started, make sure you're sitting in a comfortable, relaxed position, arms and legs unfolded. And let's start with a few deep breaths. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. And another deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. I want you to keep breathing like that. In through the nose, out through the mouth, until your breathing falls into a natural, comfortable, relaxed rhythm. What happens when you breathe like that is you invite in your full presence, your full energy, your full potential. Feel yourself expanding. Become aware of your potential as unlimited potential. Today is a day full of endless possibility. Know that anything can happen. Simply be ready for everything. Be ready to enjoy every moment. And know that you can do anything. I want you to feel a light tapping on your third eye. A little bit above your eyes and in between them. As though there's light tapping on your forehead. Your incredible potential comes from within you. Take that focus within yourself to the heart of who you are. And that's your true source of potential. Every day is a series of aha moments. Every moment a blessing, and every moment an experience, a lesson. Today provides you an endless amount of those lessons. Open your heart to receive what is being sent to you today. Expand your heart. Let your awareness move out with it into the world today. You can do anything. Let your awareness spread. And with that, your understanding of your unlimited potential. Breathe deeply. With each breath, Feel how you expand. Let your awareness stretch out. Be aware of your world today. No matter what happens, be aware of what's really going on. Allow yourself to observe every moment and see it for the glory and blessing that it is. Even those times when you're angry, especially those times when you're angry, let your awareness go to deep within, to your true self. Those things that make us angry in life are usually something inside ourselves. And when life gives you a moment like that, take the time just to look within yourself and see what it is that's being reflected to you in your world. And acknowledge it. Acknowledge it. Accept who you are. There is no right or wrong. And with each moment today, experience it to the fullest. And allow each moment to be unique and special, as life is, and filled with endless possibility. Be aware of that possibility. Allow that possibility. Remember to breathe deeply, not just now, but all through your day. And expand your awareness with each breath that you take today. Be aware of what is going on around you and allow it. It's there for a reason. It all fits together perfectly. And you fit into the picture perfectly. Now take your expanded awareness and find that point within yourself where it is rooted, deep within yourself. Allow your awareness to center on that point, your true self, and you know who you are. That is your source today. That is your connection to source. Be aware of it. Keep your awareness there. And know that anything is possible. Now approach your day with love, with joy, with peace. Namaste. And have a beautiful day.